Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying power and physical condition. This saves time later. First, make sure the headset has at least 20% charge and use a known good USB-C cable. Then, visually inspect and clean the charging pins and speaker ports with a soft, isopropyl wipe. Dust often causes failures. Once done, perform a soft reset. Hold power and the Create button for 10 seconds to clear transient faults. If lights change, that confirms hardware responded. Proceed to pairing steps. Once the headset responds, update firmware using your PS5, PS4, or the PC Companion app. Use a wired USB-C connection if over-the-air updates fail because stability matters. Next, repair the headset. Forget the device on your source, then pair it again. Test with a second source like a phone to isolate console issues. Make sure console audio output is set correctly for 3D audio versus stereo, and adjust mic monitoring and master volume to confirm both playback and mic are functioning. To finish, perform a factory reset when software troubleshooting stalls. This wipes settings but often restores functionality. If problems are physical, buzzing, weak bass, or short battery life, consider replacing ear cushions or having the internal battery serviced, since wear causes many failures. After restoring, reconfigure your audio profiles and test for 10-15 minutes. If issues remain, contact the manufacturer with the headset serial and purchase details, and, if nothing else works, use the one-key trouble.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.